Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Mahmuda. Today I will to present about the checklist consort of information with recording and the must trials of BJ. Checklist. There are 25 checklists and one I identification as a randomized trial in the title effect of aspirin versus placebo on the prevention of depression in older people, a randomized clinical trial. And 1B structure summary of trial design, method, result, and conclusion for specific with the consort for abstract. Important objective, design, setting, and participants, interventions, main outcome and mature, result, and last, conclusion and relevance. Next, 2I, specific background and explanation of rationale, preventive approach for many non-communicable disorders from cancer to cardiovascular disease have had major influence of incidence, morbidity, and mortality. And to be specific, objective, or hypothesis, there are no evidence-based primary preventive pharmacotherapy for depression. And to be specific, objective, or hypothesis, the primary aim of aspirin was to determine if the use of low-dose aspirin reduces the risk of depression in healthy individuals 17 years or older, or 5 years or older among racial or ethnic minorities in the U.S. as a segment using the Center for Epidemiology study the depression scale 10 item. The secondary aims were to determine its effect on the mental health quality of life as in the next by the 12 item short for healthy survival. Mental component summary score and assess the term to first CISD 10 score of 9 more, as well as integrants of hospitalization for depression. The primary hypothesis was the low dose aspirin will reduce the risk of depression. The defense CAS the 10 score of 9 or more at any post-domization point. And next, 3I, depression of trial design such as parallel factorial including occlusion, the aspirin clinical trial. The aspirin trial was multi-weekend, double-blind, placebo-controlled, primary prevalent random clinical trial. And 4I, eligibility criteria for participants among older adults who were relatively healthy and community dwelling in Australia and the US and were 17 years and older or 5 years or older if African American or Hispanic and dwelling in the US, and who generated the random allocation sequence, who enrolls participants and who assign participants to interventions. The trial was concluded according to the Australia National Statement on Ethical Conduct in Recommendations. The Australia Corps for the responsible conduct of research. And next, for B, setting and location where the data were collected in Australia. And next, for B, setting and location where in data were collected in the US. And next B, table of randomization detail of any restriction such as blocking and block cells. Randomization of the study took place block randomized process and was determined by speed and age. Next, 5. The intervention for age group with substance detail allow reply including how and why they were administered. 9. Mason bean used to implement the random allocation sequence such as sequentially number content describing any step taken to complete the sequence until intervention were assumed. Participant allocation. And next, 6I. Compliance defines pre-specified primary and secondary outcome measures including how and when they were achieved, responsible. The participant outcome variable of aspirity was a broad measure of major depression disorders, defined as a CEF, the time score of 9 or more, because some participant might have had a test the time score of 9 or more at baseline or a history of the depression. This primary outcome variable both incidence and the record depression. The CES, the time is validated self-rated questionnaire with a single factor structure. The index depression spotty suffer in community population. And next, And next, 11b, if relevant, description of the similarity of intervention when compared with a formal physical diagnosis of left depression, the scale being shown to have a significant non-7% and a specific age of 40% against a formal DSM diagnosis, the 70 and specific, the CESD 10. And next, 3B, important change to method after trial commended, such as agility cranial with reaction. The change, the term was intentional administered at baseline and at years 1, 3, 5, and 7 on risk of further funding national health and medical recent conclude in the further we added CESD time assignment 2 years, 2, 4, and 6 participants were to assess for depression annually until the end of their participation in the study. And next, 6A. Completely different specific primary and secondary outcome measures, including how and why they were assigned. The mental complement summary score was a secondary outcome measure as esteemed. And next, 7A. How sample size was determined. The data aspirate sample she was 1,009. To ascertain power of the aspirate primary hypothesis, we extrapolate for the extant literature the risk of reference depression at any time in placebo group would be 10%. We anticipate 5% annual dropout rate and within participant cohorts. And using convert similarity marking. Based on this assessment, we have 19% power to discern the specific difference in depression risk and odds ratio OR between the aspirin and placebo group at 5% significance level. Next, 12A. Statistical method used to compare for primary and secondary outcomes, method analysis, the GI models and logistic regression. The GI model assumed Gaussian description with identical link function were used for analyzing the SV12 mental complement. The GI model accounts for within individual repeat measure using an unstructured word in correlation matrix. The SV12 model uses the same effect parameter structure as the CES. The content from the two-way interaction were reported as aspirin effect at age of low up annual visit with CIS 95% in a definition. The coherence effect set for between group differences with report proteinuria hazard model with here participant with CESD for time score less than I especially to compare incidence rate of CESD time score of 8 or more as annual follow-ups between aspirin placebo group hazard ratios and CLS were reported. Logistic regression was used for commenting overall protection of hospital at follow-up period attributable to depression in aspirin placebo. And then 13I. For each group, the number of participants who were random assignments, recent index treatment, and were analyzed for the primary outcome often were a total of 1911 were participants. In Australia, 2411 in the US were recorded for March, December, and the domination to recent aspirin or placebo. And 14I, the test defining the period of recruitment follow-up, March 2010 to December 2014. And next, 18. Result of anxiety order analysis performance, including subgroup analysis and adjustment analysis, distinguishing specifics from exploration. Subgroup analytic of the participants showed no significant difference in the prevalence of deficient symptoms at annual follow-ups. Follow-up years by treatment group interaction. Further explanation shows no specific partner in bacillus adjusted depression symptoms reduction at annual follow-up. Antidepressants use was not statistically different between treatment groups at decilins or across annual follow-up. Aspirin group, the demographic and clinical characteristic of the participant at baseline according to the CAS-10 cutoff in both groups were similar. 8 of the participant years in the aspirin group and years in the placebo group, and of the participant were women regarding background. Participants were white and spoke English at home. Details of the basal characteristics of the cohort are published. And next, 15. A table showing basally democracy and clinical characteristics for each group. Baseline data are measured at the start of the trial or day 0. The demographic and clinical characteristics of the participant at baseline according to the CAS-10 cutoff in both groups were similar in the table 1. And then 22. Interaction condition with result, balancing benefit and harms, and consider other relevant evidence. A spirit study in a screening endpoints and mating follow-up. This suggests the low dose aspirin is unlikely to be effects in preventing depression in healthy older cohorts in and then 16. For each group, number of participant denominator included in each analysis and whatever the analysis was the original essence group. Comparison of prevalence score of A or more on the Center for Epidemiologic Study. And then 17 for each primary and second outcome result for each group, the assessment effect set and its precision, such are 95% confidence interval. Next, 20 trail limitation addressing score of potential bias impression and its relevant multiplexes of analysis. The aspirate cohort had heard baseline quality of life than is noted in other population-based study or other adult probability suggests descent record in favor of individuals who are healthy, a reflection of this primary prevention study exclusive trend. And 19. All important harms or united effect in each group. In this reference, the important harms or united effects was not found. And then 25 sort of funding and other support such as supply of drugs, role of fathers. The Aspirate this study is funded by a project grant from the National Healthy and Medical Research Council. The Aspirate parent study, which reckoned participants and was responsible for all follow-up measures, including clinical endpoints and other data capture, was funded primarily by a grant from the U.S. National Institute on Aging, with additional support from Australian National Healthy and Medical Research Council, the Victorian Cancer Against and Monash University, Bayer Brand AH produced matching aspirin and placebo tablet, and the additional funding was received via a National Healthy and Medical Research Council Senior Participant Grants Fellowship and Program Grants. The National Institute of Healthy, Dr. Murray, and the Heart Foundation, Dr. Ray. And next, 23. Registration number and name of trial registration. The aspirin introducing even in the elderly aspirants trial is registered on the International Standard Randomized Controlled Trial Number Register. The aspirin trial had multiple institutional review board approved in the US and Australia. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.